Good morning, everybody. Today's video is shared by Miss Van and Miss Taylor. Over to you, Miss Taylor.
Good morning, boys and girls, parents and teachers. As you know, I teach music and I'm passionate about it. So, what is it that draws us towards music? We can be in any public place, and if we hear a steady beat pulsating through the masses, we are drawn towards it. Music allows us to feel good about ourselves. And it teaches us a lot about resilience. The flowers that Mrs. Van is teaching you to make reminds us of what it is to learn a new piece of music. With your flower making, molding the plastic, painting, designing your flowers, these are all the things that happen in music too. We mold our fingers around our instruments and we paint with our music notes, creating the most beautiful flowers, the most beautiful melodies. Hopefully before long we'll be able to hear our choir and orchestra and marimbas again, making the music together, and our garden of musical flowers will be complete again. With COVID, our afternoons are a lot freer, as in that the children have spending a lot more time at home. And so many Northside students have decided to continue with their music lessons, persevering with Zoom, FaceTime, WhatsApp, Google Classroom, anything to make sure that they can get their lesson online if they can't get to meet their teacher face to face. I have students that I've been teaching for many years, and some of them will be performing for you later on. And we've got present Northside students as well as students who have moved on either in and around Gaborone, or students that have actually moved right down to Cape Town. I thought it would be a good idea for you to see how these students have progressed, because some of them you would have only heard them playing in the orchestra the last time that they ever actually performed. And as you know, we do have a variety of instruments. We will be looking to students performing, as I say, on a variety of instruments. Let's see who it is, if you can remember them. Let's see if you can recognize the instruments that they are playing. You might even be able to recognize some of the pieces. Good luck, sit back and enjoy the miniature concert.
I don't know if you've noticed, but around the school campus, there are little pieces of art popping up everywhere. Have you noticed the wall outside, or the flowers in the tree, or the hearts hanging downstairs? My mission, with your help and yours, is to make Northside Primary School the most beautiful school in Gaborone. We can do this, right?
Yeah.
Of course. Neil, how do we make those flowers? What do we do?
So you can get any bottle of your choice. It could be something from Mr. Muscle to an Aquabella bottle.
Mr. Muscle? Oh my goodness, who knew it could be so handy? What happens next?
And you take a blade and you cut through the rim.
Neil, that's very dangerous. Could you also use the scissors?
You can use scissors if you want.
Okay, 100%.
You take it and you cut across the rim.
Good job. What happens next?
We already have some cut out, so we're going to use these.
Okay.
You can take a color of your choice, and what you're going to do is you're going to take it and lightly spray just inside.
Nice. I love that color. That looks beautiful, Neil. Gorgeous. And now what?
We have already some dry ones, so we're going to use these.
Okie dokes.
You take a drill, and thank you to Mrs. Ivans, we have an old book that we can use.
That's awesome.
Take it from the outside, and you drill it inside. Make a small hole.
Awesome. And then?
You take a lid. Thank you to the ground staff, we have loads more.
Have a look at this, you guys. Lots of coffee that you've been drinking in the morning. This is from the milk cartons.
You're going to take the lid, and from the outside, you get it inside and you seal it. You're going to use that to make a small hole.
That looks good. Now I would imagine you just put everything together,
Exactly.
right?
You're going to take a screw and you're going to put it in the lid. You're going to take it from the hole inside the flower, and you're going to slowly just screw it inside.
Neil, that is beautiful. So easy, so effective. And I see this one's already finished, Neil.
Yeah.
Now you can imagine all of these together, it would look like a whole bouquet. And you can really choose any color as long as you've got the spraying paint, right? Awesome. I think, Neil, all that's left for us to do is to go and put that beautiful flower on a tree. Let's show you. what's left is for Meal to screw this beautiful flower onto the tree, and ta-da! Beautiful, Meal, well done, you nailed it. And somebody asked me, does this hurt the tree? No, it doesn't. It's literally like having your nails clipped or your hair cut. That doesn't really hurt, right? So, this looks beautiful. My aim is to have 500 flowers around the school. We need your help. And if you want to come and donate some used plastic bottles, please feel free to just pop it in the bin. We will sanitize, make sure they're clean, and we will get our production line going, and we will put up all these beautiful flowers around our beautiful school. Thank you.